everyone. In this video, we are going to see about how to enter the trade using FVG. In last video, I have teach about what is FVG and what are the type of FVG. In this video, I will explain how to enter into the trade in FVG and which place you should enter into the trade by using FVG. There are two methods of entering the trade into FVG. One is opening FVG, another one is consequent encroachment, which is known as what is opening FVG. The opening of the FVG is known as the opening place of the FVG is known as we enter our trade in opening FVG, and consequent encroachment, which is known as 50% of the gap is known as consequent encroachment. 50% of the fair value gap is known as the consequent encroachment, which means that 50% of the gap which is known as consequent encroachment. In last video, I have teached about order block, how to enter into the order block, the opening, low or high or mean threshold. Mean threshold is known as the 50% of order block is known as mean threshold, and 50% of gap is known as consequent encroachment. Now we are going to see about two types, which is known as opening. We place our trade in opening. It is an opening. We drop from low to high, and which is here is the opening. So we place our trade in here, opening point. So when market fall from here, we are waiting for a retracement. When market coming here and falling here, after that we are trading here. So we are waiting for that. So when market come back here, after that we place our trading this opening. So what is this? It is inverse fair value gap. If you are using a fair value gap, you can place your trading this opening. You can place your trading this opening. You can, when market retouch this fair value gap, there is a chance of going up. So you can place when market, you can place your trading in the opening, or you can place your trade in the 50%. This line is known as, this middle line is known as the 50% of FVG. So it is known as consequent encroachment. You can place your trade in this 50%. Okay, I think you may understand. You can place your trade in opening, and 50% of gap is known as consequent encroachment. So you can place your trade in the 50%. So now we are going to see about consequent encroachment. Now we see about opening. You can trade your place in opening. So opening of the feed. So it is opening. So place our trade in opening. Next we are going to see about consequent encroachment. Now when market is in down, you can place your sell order in the 50%. What is consequent encroachment? Consequent encroachment is the 50% of the gap. It is the 50% of the gap. So you can set your entry in the 50%. When market retouch the 50%, you have taken your entry at here and you can hit your target. So I think you understand what is opening of the fair value gap and consequent encroachment by using fair value gap. Okay, if you have any doubt in this topic, you can mention in the comment section. In next video, I will teach you about how to draw the fair value gap in the live market. So you can understand how to draw the fair value gap in the live market. Okay, thank you.